Gotta make a big show out of everything.
Here's my baby boy. Come here. Mwah. Ooh, you look skinny. You're not sleeping?
I'm fine, Mom.
Which one is she? She's a brunette, right?
We're not doing this today, okay?
Oh, maybe the real question is, what kind of name is Lexi?
I never told you her name.
I have my ways. Where is she?
She's not here. She's out of town.
I come into town and you smuggle her across state lines? Are you ashamed of her?
Dr. Avery, sorry to interrupt.
Oh, interrupt, please.
Oh, Mark Sloan, plastics the man who does.
Listen, I'm all for standing up for the Johnson, but this is a transplant, and transplant patients reject organs. Now, I see a 28-year-old guy who could have a pretty good life with a reconstructed organ. Now, my boy here and I can make tomorrow.
Excuse me, you're working with Jackson?
I'm mentoring him. He didn't mention it.
No, he didn't.
Got a great set of hands, this kid. You should be proud.
Why don't you scrub in with me, and you can tell me all the reasons why.
I'll be there.
All right.
Can't you just stay out of it?
He's your mentor. Why not get to know the man? At least he didn't skip town.
All right.